from the Kidz Playhouse.
Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you all are good. I'm so much excited. Halloween is coming. Yay! Yay! Today let's make pumpkin decoration. Yay! Let's get started. We need pumpkin. We need knife. We need candles. We need marker. We need gloves. First we need to wear gloves. First we need to clean the pumpkin. Clean with the white. Let's eat now. We draw one circle top of the pumpkin. Look at here. We will draw like this. Now we do cut this part, top of the pumpkin. Take parents' help. Knives are dangerous. Look at here. To cut like this. Now let's take this one. Hiya! Whoa! It's so cool. Let's look inside. Look at the pumpkin seeds. Look at the web. Now we will clean inside of the pumpkin. Let's remove the seeds and the inside part. 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! It's so cool. It's so much funny. Whoa! Sticky. Sticky. Whoa. 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 Sticky. Whoa. Sticky. See here. There are no seats inside. Doodling like this. Inside, we will draw eyes, nose, mouth. Let's draw it. Look at this face. These two triangles are eyes. This small triangle is nose. The moon shape is mouth. Now we will draw the teeth in the mouth. Okay, the teeth. We will cut this one. Yay! Now we do push out. Eyes, nose, and mouth. Now I'm doing the magic. It's so cool. Yay! 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! This is so much cool! Whoa! I'm eating something. other eye. Now let's push the nose. Look at the nose, it's so cool. Now we to clean the marker. Now light the candles. Put these candles inside the pumpkin. Now I'll put the candles in the pumpkin. Wow! Look these candles. So cool. They are glowing. Let's put this one. Now put it back on the top. See the pumpkin. Ready home. I like this video. Put this pumpkin in the night time. If you put it in the night time, it is scary. I hope you like this video. Give a big thumbs up. Bye. Let's make other decorations in the next video. Happy Halloween, everyone! Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Bye!